Hello, welcome back, and today we are looking at higher maths trigonometric expressions, double angle formulae. So using the addition formulae from lesson 3, if we calculate the sine of, in a bracket, a plus a, that turns out to be 2 sine a cos a. So you can go back and calculate sine of a plus a if you want to know where this comes from. And we can work out the cos of a plus a, which works out as cos squared a minus sine squared a. So this can be written as 2 cos squared a minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sine squared a. Okay, so we've got 3 versions of the cosine of 2a, but just one version of the sine of 2a. So the reason why we have all 3 versions becomes clear in chapter 8 when we are doing trigonometric equations. So let's have a look at this work though. So express cos 10x in terms of cos 5x and sine 5x. So it's the double angle formula. So I've got 2a and an a here. So if my 2a is 10x, then a on its own will be half of that, which will be 5x. Now one set in terms of cos x and sine x, or cos 5x and sine 5x. So I'm not using the bottom one or the middle one. I'm using the first one of the 3. So cos of 10x will be cos squared 5x minus sine squared 5x. And that occurs when a is 5x and when 2a is 2 lots of 5x, which is 10x. Again, it's the double angle formula. So if I was doing the cosine of 1000x, that would be cos squared 500x minus sine squared 500x. In terms of sine 5x only, so I'm going to use the bottom one. So cos 10x will be 1 minus 2 sine squared 5x. Again, it's the double angle formula. Question 2. Using the double angle formula, find the exact value of 2 sine 165 degrees cos 165 degrees. So I've got 2 sin cos. So let's have a quick look back. 2 sin cos is just sin of 2a. So sin of double the angle that we're given on the right hand side here. So my angle is 165. So 2 sine 165 cos 165 is just the sine of 2 times 165, which is a sine of 330. And now we're back to an exact value question. Sine of 330. Here is my quadrant diagram. I'm going 90, 180, 270, right around there. So nearly a full turn. So I'm 30 degrees short of a full turn. So I'm looking in the 4th quadrant where we do 360 minus. So 360 minus 30 will give me the 330 degrees I've got here. Only cosine is positive in this 4th quadrant. So sine of 330 is the negative sine of 30 degrees, which is negative 1/2. And I will do the exam question in a separate video for you guys.